Ladies and gentlemen, a wonderful good afternoon here at Admiral Markets to our Trading Spotlight webinar series. It's such a great pleasure to have you here in this webinar on Wednesday, the 23rd of October. Almost to the end of the year, of course. And yes, I'm feeling honored to be a part of this wonderful project around the world, wherever you are. I can see your name this afternoon. And yes, let's talk about a very, very interesting topic this afternoon, a long-term perspective in trading. And ladies and gentlemen, if you watch this webinar or this video on YouTube a little bit later, or whenever you watch it, subscribe, give us a like, or let us know what's in your mind about the single slides, and type in the chat box or type in the box, in the question box below this video. And yes, we want to get in touch with you outside of this webinar by these videos. Okay, guys, in this session this afternoon, it's really important that we talk about this wonderful topic. And I would suppose that you stay tuned in this webinar till the end, because at the end, we want to talk about the Trading Spotlight community. So we won't never leave a client behind the webinar. And our goal is, together with you, become successful in trading. And we want to help you even to be successful in trading, to become a successful trader. Okay, guys, let's go on. A long-term perspective in trading, it's really important. And what's in our agenda this day? The mistake most traders make. Maybe you are one and only, maybe you are the chosen one who doesn't make any mistakes, but I made a lot of mistakes in my past. And I want to share a little bit my story with you in this webinar, in this session here of Trading Spotlight of Admiral Markets. The benefits of long-term trading, we want to talk about it. How to shift your mindset to long-term trading, and some live examples how you can do that. And guys, it's really, really interesting. And in my opinion, this is one of the most interesting and most important topics, because too many guys around the world are focused on quick money and fast money and making money on a fast way. And believe me, it is possible, but not on a long run, always for a short run. So that's me, guys. I'm a trader, coach, mentor, speaker, and life coach as well, because trading is such an important topic in our life, that trading is absolutely able to bring you out of yourself, to bring you to the edges or to the borders to your personality. And therefore, personal growth and trading belongs together, always and always and always. And therefore, there is no, and this is not only my private opinion, this is a fact, about 20 years of experience right now, guys, really, there is no success in trading without shifting your mindset, without personal growth, without personal development. Absolutely not possible. And I want to inspire you how you can shift this mindset through our wonderful Admiral Markets Trading Spotlight series here. We must put some horse blinders on and look at our long-term goal. Yes, from you, wonderful good afternoon. So, okay, that's me. I have my own trading service. That's not important unless you want to have closer education and coaching. Then you're welcome to enjoy my DAHO family. And of course, I'm a trader at the asset management, Born, Stahlberg & Partner as well. And my most important collaboration is in this Trading Spotlight project with Admiral Markets, because we want to reach amazing lot of people around the world, because we are, Admiral Markets, Jens, Paul and me, we are absolutely convinced that we can help everybody to become successful in trading if you follow our rules and if you follow our advices together with Admiral Markets. Okay, so here we go. That's about Admiral Markets. It's a Forex and CFD broker with over 8,000 financial instruments. And I work with such amazing people behind the scenes of Admiral Markets. And I can tell you that, guys, they are trustful, they are loyal, and they are working hard almost around the clock for you guys around the world, that you become successful in trading. And believe me, I love these guys behind the scenes. They are responsible for this trading spotlight series, and that we can do this together. We have offices in 20 countries, global expertise with local supports wherever you are around the world. I don't know where are you right now, but I'm absolutely sure you will find someone who can help you at Admiral Markets. We are licensed by FCAA, EFSA, SISEC and ASEC, and we have absolutely competitive spreads, typically 0.6 at Euro USD, 0.8 with DEX 30, of course. And we are working with MT4 and 5 and a special edition, of course. You can do it on your phone, desktop, or on your browser. And I'm really glad that we can talk about this topic today. Guys, this is a special picture, and I guess you're a little bit smiling, because the mistake most traders make is a focus on fast money. And I learned a lot of things through trading. And my mentor, he is one of the famous traders around the world, especially here in Germany. And once he wrote in his own book, and he told me this one sentence: traders come to markets or to trading about money, but we stay about the insights. So what are the insights, guys? It's absolutely clear that you and me, we come to trading, and wherever you are, you come to trading because you could see, I can push buttons, I can go long, I can go short, I can make money. But also, I guess you made the experience in between that you also lost money and that you can lose money. I guess you make this experience. And one of the points why this is, most of the people, and especially new traders, are focused on making fast money. So maybe you are a part-time trader, you have a normal job, and you come back from your job, come home, and now you have 2 hours time especially. And now you said, okay, and now I have time, I want to make trades. So you open Euro USD or CFDs on the MT4 platform of Admiral Markets, and okay, I have 2 hours time, now let's make money. Come on, guys, to be honest, all of us, we did it in the past. And I guess sometimes we do it already today, because this is one of the one of the biggest mistakes, guys, because yes, you can make money in a short term, but the point is, can you repeat it again and again and again? So, and the problem is, most of the traders, especially new traders, are putting everything on one trade, but without knowledge of risk management. Because they said, oh, I heard something about the Brexit. Oh, I heard something about Donald Trump and the trade war between USA and China. Okay, it must be pressure on US dollar. It could be better for gold, or maybe the indices must be falling down and so on. And they focused on one and only trade. And don't think about risk management. And let's suppose you make money. It's absolutely possible that you make money, you push the button and you make money, of course. But then you're happy, absolutely, you are happy. And then the next day, you come back from your job, you sit down, you have similar news, you make it again, and then you lose money. Most of the times you lose more than you won yesterday. Do you know that feeling? You make money, you have profits, then you make next trade, you lose something, and you lose some, and with one trade, or maybe you need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades to make money. And then most of the times, and maybe you know that experience, you can share it with here in the chat, type it in the chat box, what kind of experience you made in the past. But I'm absolutely sure that you made this experience. You need 1, 2, 3, 4 trades, you make profit, and you lost everything with one trade. I made this experience very, very often, especially when I was focused on only one trade without any insights about the market or especially risk management. And this type of trading is called, you say to your mindset, okay, no risk, no fun, not just what should it be, what could happen, how can I lose this money? And any profit is based on accident, and it's not really duplicable, at least not in a long run, not in a long term. Maybe you can make money today, it's fine, but try to do it tomorrow again, and the next day after tomorrow, and next week, and over next week. Try it again, and I give you this promise. It's just like a guarantee. You will lose money. Even you do the same and the same and the same. If you're focused on one chart, if you're focused on one trade, it's based on accidents. And to be honest, if you have a really small account, maybe you deposit your Admiral Markets account with $100, and you say, okay, just $100, if they go away, it's away. They are gone, okay. But let's suppose you make a little bit money. And maybe you rise up from 100 to 120 or 50, or maybe you double your account. It's possible if you focus on one trade, and you try the next time. Maybe you can double it again. It's absolutely possible. With a small account, it's possible. If you're focused, but it's accident. Don't forget it. There is no money management behind it. There is no risk management behind it. There is no rules behind it. And maybe some of you, we made such experience. But then the day will come, you will lose. And I know this experience very, very often. I lost everything. But then it's like you took drugs. It's like an addiction, and your mind says, and your brain says, and there's a voice deep in your mind that says, come on, there was a possibility to make money. Okay, maybe no risk, no fun. Let's try it again. And maybe you take another $100 from your special account, what was reserved for your family maybe, or from your incoming, what was reserved for your family, something else. But you said, I made money. I will try it again. And then you are in. Then you are in a circle of addiction. And this type of trading, guys, is not really duplicable. Not really. Maybe 1 or 2 times, but never. And this is a guarantee of mindset, not on a long-term part, of course not. And this is one of the mistakes most traders make if you come to trading. Because guys, real successful trading is not gambling. Whatever you do here with one trade, focus on one trade, is like gambling. It's a 50-50 chance. Then you can go to the casino. It's always the same, but then it's gambling. And with gambling, you can make money 1 time, 2 times, maybe 3 times. And if you're a really lucky guy, you can make it 4 or 5 times. And if you reserve all happiness around the world of the universe, maybe you can make it a 5th time. But believe me, the day will come, you will lose, and then your battle will start. And then your journey to yourself will start, and then it drives you crazy, and you are looking for an answer, and then the journey starts. And should I tell you why are you the happiest guy ever? Would you know the answer? I can say it. You are a part of Trading Spotlight. You are a part of this wonderful webinar series by Paul, Jens, and me, of course, supported, provided by Admiral Markets. Why? We tell you a way. We show you the way you can become successful in trading. And this, guys, is absolutely amazing. You will find such opportunities very, very seldom around the world. So it's absolutely worth that you stay tuned in this series, that you follow Paul, Jens, and me, and we will do everything for you that you become successful. So it's your day. You are the chosen one. You can become successful in trading, not only today or tomorrow, on a long run, on a long term. And this is amazing, guys. So now you know a little bit mistake, and you can compare it with yourself. You can listen to yourself, and maybe you're sitting in front of your screen right now and you think, this guy is right. Yes, I lost money and I don't know why. I was focused on S&P 500. I was focused on DAX or gold or something else. Let's go on. We will find a solution together, guys. The mistake most traders make, it's based on absolutely human beings. Humanity, guys. We are talking here not about rules. We talk about humanities, because, guys, you are wonderful. You are extraordinary. You are the special one. Maybe you think about and you know exactly the date when you were born. Maybe you know it. And now, guys, if you remember the day where you were born, then think 9 months ago. Do you remember that day? You won. You won the race. You were the winner to 500 million other one. You were the one and only. You won the race. Some of the other opposites that didn't understand the game. And there were maybe 10 or 20 with you that were fighting for the target. The target were in front of you. Somebody left the way, but you not. You won the race. You reached that target and you are alive. That was the beginning of you. You were the winner, the one and only. You were the chosen one. And today we have forgotten that we won that race. And why? Do you know why? It's called education. But remember that day you won that race. And that's my opinion. We are special. You and me. You are extraordinary. You are the chosen one. And you are here. And therefore trading is absolutely a kind of a thinking of human beings. We think if we stick to the rules. So maybe take this picture in your mind. You're standing at the street. You want to cross the street and it's a red light. You know, red, yellow, green. It's a red line, a red light. You stay. It's green, you go. Okay, if it's red and you go, okay, maybe you will have bigger problems. The last problem is to get a ticket. But normally you stick to the rules, everything is fine. If you're driving with your car, it's a red light, you stay, and the police is close to you, everything is fine, everything is good. And we will get predictable or and positive results. And it's just like, how do they say, if you have a job. I guess if you make your job 1, 2, 3, 5, 6 years or longer, you don't have to think about what you have to do. So, and you go to your job in the morning, and every day, most of us guys, we know our salary at the end of the month, maybe punctually exactly on the pence, of course, of every penny. And you go to your job and you have to, you know what you have to do, and you know the result before you finish your job. And this is a really simple example. You see a red line, you stop, you get it's green, you go, everything is fine. You can make it 1 million of times, you will get every time the same result. If you will take a shower, drop the water, you will get it wet. That's always the same. If you have a different opinion to your wife or your girlfriend, it's getting a fight. It's an unwritten rule, of course. So, but that's experience. And now, if you do the same, you can predict the result. And the mistake, guys, the big mistake is thinking the same behavior works in trading. When following this mindset, many traders only focus on one trade at the time, and they think you can make it again and again and again. Yes, you can. And it's absolutely necessary that you do that in that way. But you have to accept that you cannot predict your result. And here we go. That's the big failure. That's the biggest mistake you ever can make in trading. That you think you can compare the behavior of your normal life with the behavior of trading. You can, but it doesn't work. If you stay at the red light and you go at green, you can do it 1 million times, everything is fine. The probability that you will have a crash on the street is really, really less. If you look left and right, of course, really less. And you know you will save the other side of the street most of the times, almost 100% is really, really high, this kind of probability. And this kind of thinking, we are educated in that way. And then we go to trading and we think, okay, I have my rules. Maybe you see an expert advisor, or you see somehow some other guys working that way, and you want to make copy and paste. And then you see, okay, it's a winner, it's a winner, it's a winner. And then your mind says, okay, it's easy. I used to do it in my life. I can do here exactly the same. And then the day will come and you will lose money. And you will say, okay, maybe that's a pity thing. Let's do it again. And you lose again. And maybe you lose a third time. And then your mindset says, come on, guy, everything is going wrong. What is it? And then it's the next mistake. If something is going wrong in your life, you can change something. You can change it. And then it's going okay. It's not, you change it again. You can do it as long as you get your result you expect. And in trading, you try to do the same. You get another guy, or you get another other rules, or you try to set another setup. And then you will make 1, 2, 3, 4 winners. But then the day will come, you get a loser and another loser, and you will lose again money. And then the same procedure is repeatable. Your mindset says, okay, guys, something is wrong. Try it again. Try something different. Because in life, it works as well. Here we go. That's the big mistake. You cannot do that. You cannot. Of course, you can, but you will lose more than money. What is it? That's interesting. Maybe take a little bit pen and paper and write down your aha effects. Maybe you feel I'm right, and you can feel it by yourself. Okay, you did such experience in the past. So let's go on the benefit of long-term trading results. Because we figured out short-term results are not repeatable, very seldom, and it doesn't work on the long run. So short-term trading results can make you happy, but be careful because they can be also very deceptive. Why? Maybe you make a winner today and you try it to do tomorrow again. It doesn't work. And then the journey begins. The journey to yourself starts. It's very, very deceptive because you need results you can repeat and you can make it duplicable. That's the point. So the question should be also, are you able to repeat your success? So there's no sense if you have a great success today, but not tomorrow, or next day, or next week, or next month. And you know the statistic. Broker says 3 months about 70% or maybe 80, 89. Okay, but that's not really, how should I say, it's not a truly statistic, because 3 months, okay, what is 3 months? If you would see the result or the statistic over 1 year, we were getting shocked, because there 98% of all traders don't earn money and cannot make money on the long run. Why? It's not about the broker. Of course not. It's not about the rules. It's about human being. It's about the mindset. So Bahram, you said, may I repeat this? In my opinion, not everybody is suitable for trading like in other jobs, but there is a huge industry telling us that everybody can be successful. At the end of the day, it's all about making money. Otherwise, why should I do trading? Actually, it would be for the most traders satisfying enough to autocopy the trades of an expert and to see profit, period. Absolutely, Bahram. What wonderful and wisely words. But let me tell you this point. I'm almost totally agree with you. I am absolutely sure that everybody can be successful. Okay, not everybody can be what should I say, a football player or something else, or Olympia winner or something else. Not everybody can be a lawyer or a doctor or something else. Because I'm not really good in craft things, because I have 2 left hands. I know that. But that's my private opinion. And this is why I love this project, Trading Spotlight. I know about 20 years experience right now. And I know if you are willing to change your mindset and to work with yourself, everybody could be able to become successful in trading, because it is a job you can learn. It's easy. The job at itself, it's easy. The higher challenge, the bigger challenge is taking place in your mind. If you are willing to extend your borders, to extend your comfort zone, if you are willing to change your mind, then you can overcome this challenge. And then there I have a little bit different opinion like you, Bahram. I am absolutely sure that everybody is able to become successful, but just only with special requirements. Willing to change your mind. All the other words, I'm absolutely be with you. The industry will tell us it's easy to make money. Yes, it's easy. Push the button and accidentally you can make money, but not in the long run. The statistic is completely against of us. Completely. Almost 98% lose money to 1 year. In about 5 years, more shocking numbers, 99. Not lost everything. That's not the point. But not making money to earn money every month. And guys like Paul, Jens, and me, we show you the result. We show you the way how you can make money every month on a long run. So the question should be again, are you able to repeat your daily success or your weekly success? But as long as you think only one trade will make you rich, believe me, you're completely in the wrong path. Even worse, you are, and here we go, that's the point, you don't lose only money, you lose lifetime. You lose lifetime. You're wasting your time. And this comes from the bottom from my heart. Really, guys. And I lost everything in my life. You can see about an article in the internet about my story of my life. I lost my family. I lost my money. I lost my job. I lost my self-confidence. I lost really everything and almost my life. Almost. And it's not worth, believe me. I waste, I guess, 7 years of my life. You will never get back any second of your life. Money, yes, you can get back money from the market if you do it in the right way. But your lifetime is gone, finally, and will never come back. And if it's work normally, we only have one life. One life. And we cannot know how long does it take. In average, we have 28,400 days to live. Not years, I counted in days. 28,400 days. It's almost 78 years. Do we want to waste one day with seeking for the Holy Grail? With looking for the accidentally short success? Someone said, I don't want to make the same money twice. Yes. Guys, and this is the most important thing in this topic here, and why we created this Trading Spotlight community and series. We want to help you that you don't waste your time. Taking a long-term trading perspective will help you better manage risk and deliver more reliable trading results. I guess that sounds really, really interesting and good. Taking a long-term trading perspective will help you better manage risk and deliver more reliable trading results. Where's my mouse? Here. If you focus on one trade and put all your money, you might only make a profit once. And if you're a happy guy, as I said, 2, 3, 4 times, but surely not on a long run. If you think and trade in the long term, you will be able to earn money every month on a long-term basis. This knowledge can give you peace of mind and also keep you financially stable. And now I don't know where are you located around the world. $100 is not overall the world the same amount. In Germany, in West Europe, $100 is a lot of money, but it doesn't mean your life. Not, surely not. But if you live in Africa, on Asia, or something else outside, $100 is a lot of money. And if you would be able to make $10 a day, think about an African guy who cares for his family. It means $10 means life, really life. And maybe you have a little bit more money you can deposit on your account, maybe $1,000 or $2,000, fine. But then think about, you could make money about $100, $200, $300, maybe every month. We don't count in thousands of dollars. That's senseless. Think about in 100, 200, 300, 400. What does it mean? Is it a life changer for you? Would it be a life changer if you have an income, an additional income to your monthly salary of making $200, $300, $400 or euros? Look at the happy eyes of your kids if you can send them gifts about your disciplined trading and if you focus on long-term results. Think about it and feel that If you look and they give you, and you can give hugs to your kids or to your wife and say, guys, I have a present for you. I make $100, $200, $300 last month. Let's go out. Let's have a date. Let's have a date night, for example. Feel that. Believe me, guys, you are the hero of your family. You would be the hero of your family. I can confirm it's a great, great feeling. Think about that. Why should somebody go through 10, 20 years of frustration, pain, etc., if he could autocopy an expert trades and, not to forget, pay for it? So this would be a win-win situation for both sides. Do you know a serious trader in the market who offers that with a tracking record of his performance for about the last 10 years? Please let me know. I only see so-called Schauverkäufer in the trading industry. You are a protagonist of your novel, yes. Of course, the problem is copy and paste is not possible on a long run, because it's not sure that you are the same guy like the expert. Of course not. Maybe an expert might be trading in short term, but you don't have time for short trade. So this, but we should create another topic with this copy and paste. Thank you for this wonderful idea. We can create another topic. Is it possible to make money about copy and paste? Because my opinion is it's not. Of course not. Because you have to understand the knowledge, you have to understand what the people do outside there. And yes, I have a track report about the last, let me see, 5 years, I guess. And not of FX Blue. I have my own Excel file, because in the last FX Blue and something else, and exists, I don't know, 2 or 3 years right now. And I'm in this business since 20 years right now. But you can see it about my clients in my own Dahao family, here, especially in our trading spotlight community. There you will see the results, of course. So that's the benefits of if you can if you are focused on long-term trading results. But you can auto-copy trades automatically of FD5 and MD. Yes, that's true, absolutely. But believe me, no one, really no one was successful with that on a long run. No one, believe me. But in a special topic, really, thank you, Baron, for this wonderful idea. We should create another topic about that. So the benefits of long-term trading are almost priceless. Why? You will have less stress if you trade an hourly chart, or like me in 4-hourly chart, instead of 5-minute chart. 4-hourly chart, guys, you can see the big picture. You have your signal chart. It's amazing. It's absolutely, it's enough if you take a look at the chart every 4 hours. And if you trade the trend, well, Jesus, it's really easy. And I show you the results. Give me a couple of minutes, I show you the results. And it saves you a lot of time, guys, because you don't need to sit in front of your screen all the time. It's wasting of time. And if you say to your kids or to your wife or to friends, I don't have time right now, and you're trading in 5-minute charts, and you cannot make money at the end of the day, it's wasting of time. And people will ask you, and maybe you know this question of your friends, of your family, and come on, how much money did you make? And how often do you have to say, I don't know, I lost money because the market was crazy and so on. Do you know that? I knew it, and I know it. And it's really annoying. It's so damn annoying. So it's always better. And that's statistically proven, guys. That's long-term trading is always more profitable than short-term. That's statistically proven, believe me. It saves a lot of times. And of course, it saves you from paying high fees and taxes. And especially this special point, fees and taxes are responsible why short-term trading never could be successful on a long run. Never. You have to pay a lot of fees and taxes, especially we have such a wonderful admiral markets broker, but you have to pay fees, taxes, and of course, I missed the word right now. You know what I mean. The spread, that's the spread, of course. So I seldom go above 1 day or below 30. So I trade with 4 hour charts. It's amazing. I have a lot of lists and everything is fine there. So guys, I hope you understand a little bit. As you can see, there are more benefits for long-term trading and then short-term trading, especially statistically proven, of course. First of all, you have to understand there is absolutely no chance, really. I typed it in high capital, in great capitals, no chance to become rich when you're making short-term trades. It's based on accidentally. If it were possible, we wouldn't have such a high number of destroyed accounts. 99% of 1 year, 5 years. The earlier you accept that as a fact, the earlier you will see a shift in your mindset. Warren Buffett were asked, why so less people getting rich? You know his answer? It was amazing. He said, the problem is really less people want to get rich slowly. That's the problem. And in trading, guys, it is the same. The industry sell us quick, fast, getting rich. It's not possible. But become rich slowly and to grow up your account, that is possible. And the earlier you do accept this in your mindset and you start today with this target, become successful on a long run, the earlier you start, the better it is for your mindset. And then a wonderful journey, guys, a wonderful journey starts. Really, really wonderful journey. One helpful tip to help you shift your mindset is to accept that trading is just like your own job. So you have to learn it for the long term, around 3 years. And if you think about a lawyer or a doctor, he has to learn more than 5 years. Practica, and so on. And he will earn money after 7, 8 years later. In contrast to when we are training for a normal job, when you might spend 3 to 5 years getting a qualification in trading, you can earn money from the very first month. However, it's important to have a coach, a community like our Trading Spotlight community. What does it mean, guys? Let me show you this one. Just a moment. Give me the chance to see that here. Here we go. So here we go. There you can see you need a coach, all Trading Spotlight community. We created this together for you. Jens is posting every day. Almost me is posting every day. You see the recordings and you see this one. Let me show you. Can you see this one? 530 pips profit. 530 pips. And today I will publish the other ones, Aussie US dollar, Euro US dollar, with again 100 more and 1 more pips. Guys, this is long-term trading. This is long-term trading. And I can repeat it because it's based on trends, on rules. Yes, we lose money, but look at this one. And if you see it in your way, you can repeat it by yourself. Come in, Trading Spotlight, guys. So next, you will be able to spend your time on much more valuable things like family or your friends. The greatest benefit, guys, is that you can focus on yourself and your so-called Big Five for life. What is the Big Five for life? It's another topic, and I will talk to you about the Big Five for life. And this benefits will shift your mindset to long-term trading, and you will see it, guys. If you ever have such a big winner like 530 pips, you will have it again and again. It's like an addiction. You will never have other things. You will never have to spend too much hour for the chart if you can make money in that way. If you spend one time a day in front of the screen. So let's make a conclusion. The focus on how to make money quickly is a big mistake. There are more benefits for long-term trading than for short-term trading. Calm. Long-term trading can bring you monthly income on average than short-term trading, of course. If you shift your mindset to long-term trading, your life will change for the better. Believe me, it is absolutely. Therefore, come on, join to our exclusive Trading Spotlight community. The reason was, webinars are great, but what is after the webinar? Maybe we will have a signal in 2 hours where you will find it. The webinar is over. Trading Spotlight. Open a live account at Admiral Markets, deposit money on it, and you will have access to our Trading Spotlight community. We are welcome, you guys. And we are absolutely sure, Admiral Markets, Jens, Paul, and me, we are absolutely convinced that we can cope this challenge together to become successful in trading. Next time on Friday, guys, wonderful. Next time on Friday, Jens will have this topic, how to trade through a losing streak. He'll cover using constructive criticism in your trading, how to adapt your trading to get out of the losing stream and building mentally stability for the trading conditions. Friday the 26th, that's my fault, sorry. And you will join this webinar. Admiral Markets, you will have more analysis and so on. Contact us, guys. And I want to say thank you for your lifetime. And I hope I could inspire you a little bit to find your way to success on long-term trading. And I hope we will see each other in Trading Spotlight community. Have a nice day. We will see each other next week, same time, same place. Bye-bye. Be careful about your thoughts, because they are the beginning of your actions.